Everyone, this is our 339 project. We chose to do an extension of the movie store program, and we decided to build an Android app. So here it goes. So when you log in, when you open the app, you are presented with this basic form to fill out, which is just the login screen essentially. So I'm going to log in here. And your age is required in order to calculate your frequent renter points, which will come into play in a little bit. So this is the main page that you come to. We have 3 different mediums that you can rent from. You can rent books, movies, or CDs. We'll go through all of them just so you can get a good idea. So we'll go into some books. We got a big list of books here. I like the 1984, so I'm going to buy that one. I also like Grapes of Wrath, so I'll rent that one for 7 days. I'll get back out of here. We go into movies. We got 3 different types of movies. We got children movies, normal movies, and new movies. Normal movies are anything that's not a child movie or a new movie. So we'll go check out some children's movies. We got another big list here. Finding Nemo's a good one. I only need that one for 1 day. I'll watch it tonight. I'm also going to buy The Lion King too. So we'll add that to my cart. A couple normal movies. Let's go with Vertigo. That one sounds fun. And we'll go into new movies and we'll purchase Moana. I don't know how you can buy that already. It's still in theaters, but we'll buy it anyway. And we'll rent Hacksaw Ridge. So getting back up. So I think we've compiled a good list of everything that we want to rent and buy. So this button down here in the bottom right, you're able to click on, and that's going to be your current shopping cart at the moment. So we can go in. It says my name, my age, and the books and movies that I've chosen to buy. Oh, we never rented any CDs. Let's go rent some CDs. 21 by Adele. I'll buy that one, and I'll rent Michael Jackson. So going back into the statement page, you can see that we've purchased four different types of merchandise, and we've rented 5. The total is kept there at the bottom. It gives you a little brief clip of how much each is worth, depending on if you rented it, for how long you rented it, and your frequent renter points are also adjusted based on the different types of mediums you rented, for how long, and also how old you are. So clearing list, you can clear the shopping cart, which just brings you back to the main screen, but I'm not going to do that. What we're going to do is we're going to check out, and that's going to bring us back to the main screen. In the next video here, we're going to show you what actually happened to that transaction. So thanks for watching.
So this here is Firebase. This is what we're using for our database and server. So after Matt went ahead and checked out, this is where the data went. And up here you have the transactions. And so these are a bunch of different transactions that have taken place. The bottom one here is the one that Matt just did. So you can see there's his name with his email and his frequent renter points that he earned. And here's the purchases list. You can see each of them are here. 1984 that he bought. He also bought The Lion King, Mona, and 21 by Adele. And then here's the list of rentals as well. Grapes of Wrath, Finding Nemo, Star Trek, and Thriller by Michael Jackson. Okay, so this is the component connector structure and deliverable 2. The structure on the left is how we originally planned on doing it. Because when we were first designing the program, we were assuming that we were going to use Java Swing, but we ended up going with Android. And so the diagram on the right reflects the current design. And the reason it changed is because we decided to use Firebase, which acts as a server and a database manager. Here's the module diagram. You have the customer, the manager. Actually, as the program evolved, we decided we weren't going to include. And then you can do the merchandise, transactions, the bonus points, and then in the end, view the statement. For deliverable 3, we have the use case diagram. Here you can see the customer can buy, rent, and view the statement. The database controls the updates and creates customers. And again, the manager we ended up not going with as the program evolved. And then there's the class diagram. You can see the user object at top with the customer. Manager again is not there. And then that goes down to the merchandise. The transaction classes themselves are actually gone. We handle those in an activity. But then from the merchandise, you have the book, the movie, and the CD, and the 3 different types of movies. And then at the very bottom, there's the statement that generates from the customer.